The world as we know it was shaped by a period of rapid change that began over 200 years ago. Imagine a time when goods were made by hand, travel was slow, and most people lived and worked on farms. Then in the blink of an eye, everything changed. This was the Industrial Revolution, a transformation that reshaped not just how we work, but how we live. The Industrial Revolution was a period of intense technological innovation and social change that began in Britain in the late 18th century and spread across the world. It marked the transition from an agrarian and handicraft economy to one dominated by industry and machine manufacturing. At the heart of this revolution was the steam engine. Invented by James Watt in 1769, the steam engine provided a new source of power that could be used anywhere, not just near rivers like water wheels. This invention powered factories, mills, and eventually locomotives and steamships, revolutionizing both production and transportation. In the textile industry, innovations like the spinning jenny and the power loom dramatically increased the speed and efficiency of cloth production. What once took skilled artisans days to create could now be mass-produced in a fraction of the time. This led to the rise of large factories and the decline of traditional cottage industries. The revolution also transformed how we make things. New techniques in iron and steel production, such as the Bessemer process, made these materials cheaper and more readily available. This fueled the growth of construction, machinery, and transportation industries. Speaking of transportation, the Industrial Revolution brought about a mobility revolution. The development of steam-powered locomotives and ships shrunk distances, allowing for faster movement of goods and people. This facilitated trade, urbanization, and the spread of ideas on an unprecedented scale. These technological advancements led to profound social and economic changes. Cities grew rapidly as people moved from rural areas to work in factories. A new social class, the industrial working class, emerged. While the revolution brought increased productivity and wealth, it also led to challenging working conditions and social inequalities that sparked new political movements. The effects of the Industrial Revolution continue to shape our world today. It set the stage for modern mass production, globalization, and the technology-driven society we now live in. The innovations of that era laid the groundwork for the digital revolution we're experiencing today. The Industrial Revolution was more than just a period of technological change. It was a fundamental shift in how humans lived, worked, and interacted with their environment. Its legacy is all around us, from the cities we live in to the gadgets we use every day. Understanding this pivotal period helps us appreciate the roots of our modern world and the ongoing impact of technological change on society.